Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on a quick mod. Dave was not here today, so it's just me and this M3 CS 2018. Not sure if you guys can see it, but we will be working on a quick mod, and I'll show you on the inside what it looks like first. This is the interior of a BMW M3 CS. As you can see, it's really nice. You see the Alcantara, you see the nice bezel, silver bezel, top and bottom, on the shifter, on the steering wheel. We're missing something. Look at that. So today we're gonna do the most inexpensive mod of all to this car. Costs about less than $12 to do so. This is the device to do it. It's a quick attachment that we can quickly stick on to this bezel and make it look a little nicer. So this very inexpensive mod I got from Amazon. The link is below, so you can purchase it one for yourself as well. This is about $12. I can probably source this from India or China for about probably $1, but you just decided to just go ahead and buy this and get it over with. I got this actually before the car came, so we haven't had a chance to do a review of the car yet, so I will do that later. But as of today, we're just gonna put this nice mod on top of the car. So the mod comes with double-sided tape on the side, right? I'm gonna do a quick fitment and see how this goes. Alright, so there we go. It just fell out. Make sure I'm using the right side here. Okay, that's literally it. We just want to make sure that it's fits nicely. I haven't removed the tape yet, so as you can see, we're just doing a quick test fitment, but it looks like it fits nicely. All right, let's put them on. And there you have it. See? Pretty nice, right? Now, all the bezels are in on both sides. So it makes your car looks a little bit nicer. Of course, the aesthetic is going to be a lot more improved But it's a little thing that counts, right? Okay, so as you can see on the right, the dash, silver bezel. On the left, silver bezel. So I think we're good here. Only about $12. So you can get off on Amazon. I'll link the link below. Hope you like the quick mod. Please do subscribe if you haven't. Please like, comment. Of course, there's going to be some more additional mods to this car, but we will follow up with a future video and also a quick drive review of this car. Today's a little cloudy, so I will not be driving the car. I don't like to drive the M3 CS in the rain, so I'll try to keep this out of the rain as much as possible. But that's it. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe.